Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking the basics and opening settings. First, confirm your Samsung model and Android version so you know which menu labels to expect. Once done, locate the image in Gallery or Files, aim for 1080 x 1920 or 1440 x 2960 image for best fit. Make sure your battery is above 20% and that storage and wallpaper permissions are enabled. Otherwise, you may be blocked when you now pick and refine the image. Tap Gallery or My Wallpapers, choose the image, and immediately select Home, Lock, or both so you control placement. Use pinch to crop and drag to position. If available, toggle motion versus still to manage parallax and battery impact. Once satisfied, preview on the chosen screens. Samsung shows how icons and widgets overlay. Make adjustments until edges and focal points align, then press Apply to set the wallpaper. Finish by verifying the wallpaper appears on both screens. If it doesn't, reboot the phone first. That often resolves temporary UI glitches. If the image still won't stick, go to Settings Apps, find Wallpaper or your Home app, and clear cache, not data, then reapply. Also check for Theme app or secure folder overrides that lock backgrounds. If problems persist, resave the image at the recommended resolution and try again. That usually fixes scaling or corruption issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.